How do I enter employee stock purchase plan sales in TurboTax? Well, employee stock purchase programs are specific company-runs plans where participating employees can purchase company shares of stock through payroll deductions at a discounted price. Your employers will send you Form 3922 if you bought ESPP stock during the tax year. If you didn't sell any ESPP stock, there is no need to enter anything from your Form 3922. You just have to keep it for whenever you decide to sell. If you sold ESPP shares, you will be taxed on the profits and the portion of the income may be reflected in your W-2. You will also receive a 1099-B that reports the sale. With your return open in TurboTax, search for 1099-B and select the Jump to link. Have your 1099-B, Form 3922 for the share you sold, and W-2 available for reference. When you enter your 1099-B, follow the screen to enter your sale information, and then you'll be good to go. So this is the end of the video. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.